My name is Dr. Doug Long. I've been in practice for 16 years, and I practice at Renaissance Chiropractic Center in Tacoma. And we transitioned from a paperless system to ChiroTouch 2.5 years ago. And I currently see between 250 to 275 visits per week. And anytime you transition from paper to paperless, it's a scary transition. But ChiroTouch and their support staff have made it an easy transition for us. One of the great things we like about ChiroTouch is their customer service. We are a multi-doctor office, and when we first started, there were some challenges that we had with the program, and ChiroTouch and their technical staff has worked very well with us to make those changes to help integrate that into our office and make it to where it is a system that works for a multi-doctor facility. A lot of the features about ChiroTouch I really like. One of them is the check-in screen. And the check-in screen basically is the screen that tells you who's checked into the waiting room. And the great thing about it is that it will list all the names of the people that are in the waiting room, and it will also tell you when you click on their name what room they're in. We've actually been able to customize it so that we can change the color of the printing of the name to tell us whether a person is late for their appointment, whether a person is early for their appointment, or if it's a person that's walked into the office without an appointment. We consider that a walk-in patient. So when the doctor sees a screen and sees 10 people on his list, he doesn't get too stressed out when he sees that many of those patients are either early or late, so he doesn't feel like he has to get them back right away. The other great features I like about ChiroTouch are the alerts that we set up. And the alert screen allows you to put in different alerts that will pop up on a particular visit. You can have it pop up on a particular date. So in our office, when we want to do a re-examination in 4 weeks, we're able to schedule that and create an alert for both our staff up front and for the provider, so that on that particular date, boom, it pops up on your screen that this person needs a reevaluation. Or if we're going to do a specific atlas adjustment, we can put an alert in for that. You can pretty much customize this program to do whatever you want it to do. And that's been a great thing for us as well, because it allows us to customize it to the style of practice that we do and the type of adjusting technique that we do. We do manual adjusting, but we also do an activator protocol. So when you customize it, you get the drop-down screens that say these levels of the spine were adjusted with the activator instrument, and these levels were adjusted manually or using a drop table. And so it's been a tremendous experience being able to go to a paperless system, knowing that anytime you do that, it is going to take a little bit more time. But in talking with many other doctors in the field, I feel that ChiroTouch has allowed us to use the minimal amount of time in taking our notes. And I would say that between what we used to do, it's maybe added 20 to 30 seconds to our note taking. But now we have full complete notes that are in compliance with our practice standards, and people don't have to try and read my handwriting, which was also always a challenge before. I have nothing but good things to say about ChiroTouch. I have many doctors throughout the United States that I've talked to, and many of them have made that transition even when they were on a different paperless system, because they saw how easy this program was and how well it worked in their office. And it's saved us time in many aspects of our office, especially with our front desk staff. You know, before every shift they would have to pull charts, and now they don't have to do that, and that's saved us minutes if not hours. They do not have to post charges anymore. The doctor posts the charges in the room, and so the staff doesn't have to take a fee slip and post a charge in the computer, and that saved them time, and that allows our staff to focus on the patients and to focus on greeting patients and making them feel comfortable in the office, as opposed to constantly doing busy work. What else can I say? ChiroTouch has been a great addition to our office, and I highly recommend it to any doctor out there that is looking to go to a paperless system.